Hey guys, it's Michael here from Tradehack. Thanks for clicking on the link. Tradehack has developed a new backflow testing software system called Backflow Tester. Backflow Tester is a complete management system for all your testing needs, from the tester to admin staff and finally to the client and counsel. This is a totally paper-free system, saving you time and money. Form 9s are emailed directly to counsel from site in real time by the tester, eliminating the need for any further processing from admin staff. Once all devices have been tested on site and the job has been completed by the tester, notifications are automatically emailed out to admin for invoicing and to the client as per legislative requirement. The system will automatically notify the client and admin staff when the valves are due to be rebooked and tested in the following year. So to better explain the system, let's get started. So first of all, we're in the client's screen. You can see there that I've got a number of clients. I'm going to simply click on the demo company number 4 and view the locations for that company. Today we'll be testing out of the demo location 2, and here is my device list, so any devices on this location will sit here. I'm simply going to add a job, put my name down as the tester. You can add any information here that might be required for the tester, and we'll just simply save the job. So here we have successfully saved the job. I'm simply going to click into my schedule, so I can see now that the job has come up on my schedule. I'll simply click on that, it'll expand and it'll show those 2 valves that are requiring testing. I'll click on test. Let's quickly run through. You can see there that it preloads all the information into the form, any of the device details so far, and I'm ready to go. So I'm simply going to start putting in some details. This is a DCDA, so it'll be a 60 kPa roughly on that spring, a 22 on that one. We don't have a strainer to test, and I've tested my upstream and downstream isolation valves. I then move on to the bypass valve. It'll be around about 20 kPa and maybe say 18 on the second check. It now automatically puts in the differential across the sum of the 2 valves. I'll simply then put in the pressure reading on the main, scroll down, pick my test kit, pick the one that's current preferably. You can see that we're testing out of Appendix G, and complete the test. Now, oops, I've missed something. It's reminded me that I've got to go back up and check those 2 isolation valves on the upstream and downstream of the bypass valve. I'll simply go back in and complete the test, and now you can see it's come up as tested. It's got a pass status, and I'm ready to move on to the next valve. So let's test the RPZ. We'll scroll down. If I don't click on anything and I forget and I just click on complete, you'll see it'll paint my path out in red that I need to stick the values in. So here we go, 35 is a minimum for a pass on that check. It's got a tight on the second check. We'll put 14 kPa in. Upstream, downstream have been checked and they're tight. I'm going to clean the strainer on this one. Put my main value in. Pick my test kit that I'm using and complete the job. Once again, you can see that it notifies it's sending that form automatically into counsel in real time. And here we have it. They've got both a green status with a pass. I can now go ahead and complete this job. Both valves have got a pass status. They've automatically been defaulted and checked. I can now add any notes in at this stage to give any information back that might be required for the invoicing from admin. So I'm going to go ahead and complete this job. There we have it. We have a complete status. I can collapse that. And what I want to do now is I just want to show you how those forms have been sent in. I've simulated email addresses into my email box, and these forms would have been sent to counsel and they would have been sent to the client. Okay guys, so here we are, we're in my email box, and you can see here are the 3 forms that have been sent and I've been talking about. Let's click on the first one. You'll see that was the first valve that we tested. If I click on that, it will just simply open up a form 9, If I go to the completion report, this is the one that's being sent into the client, and you can see there that it's loaded both of those Form 9s to prove that we've tested those valves. They have already both been sent into council. I'll quickly open one up for you so you can have a look at it. You can see that that feels like a Form 9. All the information is on there. It's already automatically loaded in. It even puts your signature in that you've preloaded in when you've set up. And you can see there that that's a very simple and easy process, and nothing much to do for anyone. Everything happens automatically. Alright, well, thank you guys. Short and sweet, but that just shows you exactly how quick and how easy it is to use this software system. Happy testing.